Have you ever worried about the security of your online investments? In today's digital age, where cyber threats are more sophisticated than ever, safeguarding your financial accounts isn't just a recommendation, it's an absolute necessity. Especially when it comes to platforms like M1 Finance, where you're building and managing your long-term wealth, the stakes are incredibly high. We all want the convenience of managing our money from anywhere, at any time, but that convenience shouldn't come at the expense of security. So, how do you strike that balance? How do you ensure that your M1 Finance account, with all your carefully constructed pies and hard-earned investments, is as secure as it can possibly be? The answer, my friends, lies in a powerful, yet often overlooked, security measure, two-factor authentication, or 2FA. You might have heard of it, perhaps even encountered it on other platforms. It's that extra step, that seemingly small hurdle, that makes a monumental difference in protecting your digital life. Think of your password as the first lock on your financial vault. It's good, it's necessary, but what if someone manages to pick that lock? That's where 2FA swoops in, adding a second, entirely separate lock, making it exponentially harder for unauthorized individuals to gain access. In the context of M1 Finance, where your financial future is literally at your fingertips, enabling 2FA is not just a smart move, it's an essential one. It acts as a digital bodyguard, ensuring that even if your password falls into the wrong hands, say, through a data breach on another site, a phishing scam, or simply a weak password choice, your M1 Finance account remains protected. An attacker might have your password, but without that second factor, that unique, time-sensitive code, they're dead in the water. This isn't just about protecting your current balance, it's about safeguarding your entire financial journey on M1 Finance. It's about protecting your carefully curated investment pies, your automated rebalancing strategies, your scheduled deposits, and ultimately, your peace of mind. Without 2FA, a compromised password could lead to unauthorized trades, withdrawals, or even the complete loss of your account access. The potential consequences are severe and, frankly, completely avoidable. So, let's dive into the world of two-factor authentication within M1 Finance. We'll explore exactly what it is, why it's so crucial for your financial security, and most importantly, a step-by-step guide on how to enable it, ensuring your investments are fortified against ever-evolving cyber threats. We'll cover what type of 2FA M1 Finance uses, common authenticator apps, and even some troubleshooting tips to make sure you're fully equipped to secure your account. First, let's understand the core concept of 2FA. Traditional security relies on a single factor, something you know, like your password. With 2FA, you add a second factor, typically something you have, like your phone, or something you are, like a fingerprint or facial scan. M1 Finance primarily utilizes authenticator apps, which fall under the something you have category. These apps, installed on your smartphone or computer, generate unique, time-sensitive codes. Every 30 seconds or so, a new code appears, valid for only that brief window. When you log into M1 Finance after enabling 2FA, you'll enter your password as usual, and then be prompted to enter the current code from your authenticator app. This dual requirement creates a robust barrier, making it significantly more difficult for anyone but you to access your account. Why is this so important for M1 Finance in particular? Well, M1 Finance isn't just a savings account, it's an investment platform. This means real money, real assets, and real potential for financial harm if compromised. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that even if a data breach exposes your email and password from another service, your M1 Finance account remains locked down tight because the attacker doesn't have your physical device with the authenticator app. This extra layer of defense is invaluable in the current cybersecurity landscape. Beyond preventing unauthorized access, 2FA also helps protect against phishing attacks. Phishing emails often try to trick you into revealing your login credentials. Even if you fall victim to such a scam and inadvertently provide your password, the attacker still won't be able to get into your M1 Finance account without that second factor. It's like having a second, secret key that only you possess. Now, let's get to the good stuff, enabling two-factor authentication on your M1 Finance account. The process is straightforward, designed to be user-friendly, and takes just a few minutes. M1 Finance utilizes authenticator apps, not SMS-based codes, which is a more secure method as SMS can be vulnerable to SIM swapping attacks. Popular authenticator apps include Google Authenticator, Authy, and Microsoft Authenticator. If you don't already have one, I highly recommend downloading one of these to your smartphone before you begin. They are free and widely available on both iOS and Android. Here's the step-by-step guide to enabling 2FA on your M1 Finance account. Step 1. Log into your M1 Finance account. First, open your M1 Finance app or go to their website and log in with your current username and password. This is your initial gateway to your financial hub. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once you're logged in, look for your account settings. On the M1 Finance website, you will typically find this by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner, then selecting Settings or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. If you're on the mobile app, it might be found under a More or Menu icon, then Settings. Step 3. Locate the Security section. Within your account settings, you'll see various categories. Look for a section explicitly labeled Security. This is where all your security-related options and features reside. Step 4. Turn on two-factor authentication. Inside the Security section, you should see an option for two-factor authentication or 2FA. There will usually be a toggle switch or a button to enable or turn on 2FA. Click on this. Step 5. Follow the on-screen prompts for setup. M1 Finance will then guide you through the setup process. This is where you'll link your authenticator app. QR code or setup key. M1 Finance will typically present you with a QR code. Open your chosen authenticator app, e.g., Google Authenticator. Within the app, you'll usually see an option to add a new account, often by scanning a QR code or manually entering a setup key. Scan the QR code, position your phone's camera over the QR code displayed on your M1 Finance screen. The Authenticator app will automatically recognize it and add M1 Finance to its list of accounts. If you're unable to scan the QR code for any reason, M1 Finance usually provides a manual setup key that you can type directly into your Authenticator app. Generate and enter the code. Once M1 Finance is added to your Authenticator app, the app will immediately start generating 6-digit, time-sensitive codes. These codes refresh every 30 seconds. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.